warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, the honor of judges, and all the participants. It is an honor to talk in front of all of you today. First, I'm so grateful to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who give me time to have speech in this special moment. First of all, my name is Ghaitsa I am here to have speech regarding to the hot topic of the year, the COVID-19 pandemic, and also the importance of unity in the midst of the pandemic. As you all know, many negative impacts arises after this pandemic situation. Losing member of family, suffering from the virus, and losing jobs or even the health. After around 2 years, we survived to start the new normal life. Television, government, and people around us have spread about what we can do in this time to stay healthy and stay safe within this pandemic. The most important things are always wear mask and wash your hands more often when you have to go outside. The government has done so many things during this difficult time. So does the WHO, who announced the vaccination in all over the world to build herd immunity. It is a big better step to heal the world, to stay stronger and survive from this pandemic. Ladies and gentlemen, the transition between offline to online is one of the strategies in overcoming this situation. Students start to have online classes, workers start to work at home, tourism moves to virtual program, and we can shop by online, easier and faster than before. But it is not for the health workers, because they are the first line in handling the infected people. Can we imagine how tired are they? I am not talking about our city or our country, but this happens all around the world. All people in the world feel the same feeling as we feel here, audience. Audience, let's pay attention to social distancing that we need to do. I know everyone misses going out and meeting friends. The online meeting could even change the real meeting that we used to have. But we also need to think about what we have done so far. How people lose their member of their family, relatives, or even their jobs due to this pandemic. That's why, by staying at home, we try to minimize the chances of spreading that dangerous virus. Ladies and gentlemen, from all those ways of beating the virus, one important thing to remember is unity. We can survive and heal this world by unity. We unite ourselves to get the better world and make this pandemic over soon. Let's unite our goal and our purpose to fight this pandemic together. Even we have less interaction with others. Just talk and meet two people by phone or video and have to limit our time to go work and study. But we actually is trying to unite ourselves, to be together, to be stronger, and to get the better future. Everyone, as a good citizen, we need to follow and obey the government's regulations due to this pandemic. Even now we have got the vaccination, but we need to be aware in keeping the rules of new normal life to prevent the spread of new type of the virus. Let's support our government plan and WHO regulations to save our future. Audience, let's work together. Let's hand in hand by helping and caring each other to fight this pandemic. It is time for unity. It is time to increase our social awareness in this less real election time. Together, we can. Ladies and gentlemen, That's all of my speech in this occasion. Let me end this speech by saying Hamdallah, Alhamdulillah, and thank you very much for your attention. Stay safe and never give up Allah's help during this difficult time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.